Hello everyone. Is your Lenovo tablet screen cracked, leaving you frustrated and unable to use it effectively? You're in luck. In this guide, you'll discover how to fix your Lenovo tablet screen broken and restore functionality to your beloved device. Whether it's a minor crack or a complete screen failure, we'll walk you through practical steps to handle the fix or replacement with confidence. Step 1. Evaluate the severity. First, carefully inspect your Lenovo tablet to determine the extent of the damage. If it's just a minor crack that doesn't affect functionality, consider using a screen protector to prevent further damage. However, if the touch response is erratic or if there are dead spots on the screen, it's likely you'll need a more comprehensive approach to repair or replace it. Prepare for repair. Step 2. Gather necessary tools and parts. If you've decided to replace the screen yourself, gather the necessary tools and parts. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, tweezers, and a replacement screen specific to your Lenovo tablet model. Buying an official replacement screen from a trusted supplier ensures quality and compatibility with your device. Step 3. Back up your data. Before proceeding, back up your data to prevent any loss during the repair process. Use a USB cable or cloud service to store your important files, photos, and apps. Protecting your data is crucial, especially if you plan on performing technical repairs on your tablet. Repair your Lenovo tablet. Step 4. Disassemble your tablet. Begin by turning off your Lenovo tablet and removing any external accessory. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew any screws securing the back cover. Utilize the plastic pry tool to gently separate the back cover, exposing the internal component. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging the internal circuit. Step 5. Remove and replace the screen. Once the internal components are exposed, locate the screen connector on the motherboard. Carefully disconnect it using tweezers, then remove the broken screen. Replace it with the new screen, ensuring all connectors are securely reattached. Double check your connections to confirm everything is correct. Reassemble and test. Step 6. Reassemble your device. After successfully replacing the screen, reattach the back cover and secure it with screws. Ensure the cover is properly aligned to protect the internal parts from dust and debris. Handle this process with care to maintain the integrity and appearance of your tablet. Step 7. Power on and test. Power on your Lenovo tablet and test the new screen. Check for touch responsiveness and display clarity. If everything is functional, congratulate yourself for a job well done. Your Lenovo tablet is now back to life, allowing you to resume your activities seamlessly. Fixing a broken Lenovo tablet screen might seem daunting at first, but by following this guide, you're equipped with the knowledge to handle it effectively. Whether choosing to replace it yourself or seeking professional help, understanding how to fix a Lenovo tablet screen broken ensures you're never stuck with a non-functional device. Remember to prioritize careful handling and seek professional assistance if you encounter any uncertainty. Enjoy your newly repaired tablet and all the productivity or entertainment it brings.